Hi, my name is Sylvia and today we are going to cook a traditional Hungarian deep-fried flatbread. This is a very simple recipe. I'm going to spend literally half an hour from the beginning to the end and let me show you the ingredients. For this we are going to need 500 grams of flour, which I already sieved. This is flour that I usually use for bread. 350 ml of water, 25 grams of yeast, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and a little bit of oil to handle everything. For the topping I'm going to use creme fraiche, a little bit of dill for garnishing, cheese. I've got 2 kinds of cheese in here, both are hard ones, and obviously garlic. So let's get going. We are going to start by making a little bit of hole into the flour and crushing the yeast just like this with your hands. I'm gonna put the sugar, salt on the margins and the water all in here. Now I can use my hands or I can use a spoon. I prefer to use my hand, so let's get going. This is a very wet dough. But the fact that it's wet is gonna make the langos so puffy at the end. Because in contact with the very hot oil in which we are going to fry them, the steam is going to be released from the dough and create those bubbles. So you can see everything is coming together. In the end I'm going to add the oil, which will help handling the dough a bit more. Look at this. This is not something that you like. But there is something satisfying about dealing with dough like this. I don't know, at least for me. Okay. So I'm going to leave this for 15-20 minutes. But before, let me try to get it off my hands. Okay, so in here we're going to put the oil. Let's see. Already better. Obviously, you have to make sure that your hands are nice and clean before you even start touching anything. Okay. Right. I'm happy with this. Now I'm just going to cover it up and leave it, as I said, for 15 to 20 minutes. I've got in here something to cover it up. That's it. Now in my kitchen there are about 20 degrees, so in 15 minutes I'm gonna come and check if the dough is doubled in size or not, and if it's not I'm just gonna leave it a little bit longer. Right, so let's have a look. Okay, this looks like it's quite a lot bigger. Okay, so now we are going to start to shape our langos. First of all, I'm going to take a little bit of oil in my hand, rub them all together, and from here I'm going to take piece by piece a little bit of this dough, and just like so I'm gonna place it here. Okay. So I'm not gonna make them very big. The consistency is perfect. If you have the oil on your hands, they are not stickier anymore. Let's see how many we can achieve. So it looks like we have 7 pieces. So I'm gonna leave them for a little bit like this until the oil is very hot, so I can place them there. And I'm gonna show you step by step how I'm going to shape them before I put them in the oil. Let me just clean my hands a little bit. I'm coming back. I think my oil is hot already. Now I'm going to show you how I shape them. I'm gonna start with the smaller one. And again, a little bit of oil on my hands. There's a bit of oil on the surface, which is doing exactly what it should. So you literally do it like this, trying not to break it. And I'm gonna try a few methods. Let's see if I do like this to help me throw it in here. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Maybe the oil is not very hot, but coming about. So now the next one. Very simple and very easy. So we are going to leave them for about 2 minutes on each side. This is actually a very good business for the street food. The combination between the garlic and the cheese and sour cream is so attractive that I've always seen people queuing for something like this, including myself. Let's have a look. I can see some colors changing, but not yet. I'm gonna just turn it and then I can turn it again just to make sure, but I wanted to show you how they are coming about. If the oil is very hot, they will literally puff up instantly, and they are very good to be eaten straight away. It's not good to make them today and eat them tomorrow. The best thing is to make them today and enjoy them with friends and family. Okay. Right, the first one is finished. So this is how it looks like. Let's do the next one. Trying the same sort of method. I managed to unfold it. Now I think the oil is a little bit hotter because the colors are changing quicker. Have a look. Okay, that's it. That's done. And see? Don't worry, this is done as well. Looks like this method is quite good. So now I'm grating the cheese. Now I'm cutting the dill. And now I'm mixing the garlic with creme fraiche. So this is what we did today. I'm very proud to say that we have 7 pieces of this. I'm gonna just open one and see how they break. I mean, look at that. Oh my god. That's so soft, full of bubbles, but let's not waste them. Actually. Right, I'm just gonna get one done and then I'll show you. So first of all, we have to put a creme fraiche. And then the cheese. Freely. Okay. And now the dill. And now is the moment of truth. Look at that. I can't wait. I need to eat it. So. This is perfect. This combination is perfect for home, for street food, but for me. Definitely a lot of garlic and cheese and cream. It's a good recipe for success. So I'm gonna leave it on a side for now and I'm gonna finish it in a minute. I just want to thank you for watching me, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and come back for more recipes.